I want that crypto.
Did you buy him before?
Yeah, I got him.
Okay.
I have so many of the like red.
Oh yeah, I know.
Or whatever. I don't know.
I could buy like another legend right now if I wanted to.
That's
my secret.
Oh my god!
Sorry.
Introducing your champion.
Wait.
I don't fear anything. Can you say the same?
No.
She doesn't fear anything. Can you say the same?
No.
Let's make a choice.
Stuart's just
Wait,
gonna
it's
fall.
Stuart. Wait, it's
Oh
Stuart.
no! Wait,
He's not here. Wait.
It's a long
Hold up.
It'll be fine. It'll be all right. It's okay.
Oh, I can use a portal eventually. I have one of these puppies.
He's right here. Should we just forcefully portal him away?
Wait. Can we push him towards the water and knock him into it?
We could.
Yo, let's do that.
Oh my god.
So,
Alright.
okay, I'm
Just
gonna
gonna
come
slowly
over to
just
you.
wanna-
Yeah, to start not punching him.
one choice.
Is it working?
Yeah.
Okay, you keep punching him. I'm gonna start making a portal.
He goes so far.
Yeah, we're just gonna put up the end of the map here.
Subscribe to Klivity.
Oh no. Oh no. Oh no.
Yes!
No wait.
Oh.
Alright.
Why can't I hit him?
Don't even put him fully in there. Push him to like the edge and just say nothing about it. I think we may hit him a little bit too hard. You know.
It gets really funky.
I don't know. We're going
How
to
do
the
we
next
turn?
station.
Wait.
Oh yeah, how do we turn? What the heck?
So I know that's to stop the train. So I wonder how we're gonna turn. You drone
Yo,
got
this is
left.
so dope, man. This is so
You
dope.
drone just got
Yo,
left.
I'm in my drone just chilling here, you know.
Wait a second. Wait a second.
Oh,
You can move it! Don't you dare! Don't
Oh,
you
hey,
freaking
hey,
dare!
how's it going? How's it going?
Hey! I don't know where it is though. Oh, right here.
Yep. Okay.
Drive by.
Drive by, bro.
Did it just get clocked?
Oh my
Bye,
god!
honey.
I'm so sorry. Drive by.
That was interesting.
I made it.
Oh my god. Yo, Becky!
I'm the head of the train, guys.
Oh my god.
Wow.
I
Look at that.
show-
Farewell. I can show you the
No wait!
Nice. That's the end of the lab. Did you actually? Oh my god,
Oh!
Haha! I just
Oh,
global airdrop.
Klivity.
Well, good luck, Klivity.
Ah yeah. Don't worry, I'll survive in the
stopping over
winter.
here.
I'll survive in the winter.
Oh, that's funny.
He's gonna
Hey!
come back. Klivity has made an entire society for himself.
So you can try to kill him. Leave.
Wait, are you guys coming around? Oh yeah, it's going that way. Oh my god. I don't know where they are. Hold on. They might be inside.
In that corner. In
Yeah,
that
they're
corner.
behind the. But resing right here. Resing right here.
The freaking train is rooting.
Alright,
Oh no,
boys.
Klivity! Klivity,
It must
no!
be done.
Come back,
It
Klivity!
must be done.
No, Klivity!
It must be done.
Listen, somebody's gonna have to change, and it's not gonna be me.
No, it'll be me.
Alright,
Okay, I need
sure.
at least one of you to go
Yes.
caustic for me.
You should go
down.
caustic, but every sentence you make has to be the most edgiest thing I've ever heard. Like middle school, preteen edgy.
God hates me.
Alright, boys.
Look, hey guys. Hardcore drop train.
Oh!
Oh, Jesus
Nope,
Christ.
nope. Train.
I'm
Oh
committing.
my god.
Just ignores me. Alright, anyways, Alright.
Nice.
All
You
right.
are 1
All
HP, my dude!
What? What? If he lives.
Bruh!
What? He ran in a straight line and they
What?
missed?
Okay,
Oh, look, the respawn beacon's directly in front of you.
You're right, it
Please
is.
don't. Please don't. No.
The train's gone, so I think we're okay.
Comes back, only kills
No,
him.
we are not. They're gonna push us so hard.
Do
That's
we
Apex.
want...
Do it. Do it. It's Apex. If we breathe wrong, people push us, so you might as well. How's the vehicle thing?
I don't see him.
Oh no, he's coming! They're coming! They're coming!
Where are they at? Where are they at?
I saw him turn that corner so fast!
Oh my god!
I saw him turn that
Oh.
corner so fast!
Watson.
I'm hiding.
Well, you know, that's what.
You know, I am dying, but at the same exact time, that was absolutely worth
I'm
dying.
just gonna walk right. I'm just gonna.
I got cookie dough, so we're good. Everything's fine. From God.
Hey, got our squad mate's banner. Picked up our squad mate's
Okay,
banner.
now run.
Go respawn us right over there. On the other side.
God, please. no. Please have mercy.
I'm doing it. I gotta make it there. Uh oh, they're coming.
Down the roof.
They
Are they on
know.
the roof?
They know. They know. I'm an escape convict. I'm an escape convict. The next
Oh
one
my
lives
God.
will be Denise. It's his turn to resurrect.
It's Denise's
Oh
turn.
God, please.
They're gonna get here so fast.
This place has been looted too, or mostly looted.
I don't know if this is actually the best idea, but at the same exact time, what
It's
have
the
I ever
funniest
done?
idea. It's the funniest.
It's quality content.
Yes.
This wasn't in the DLC.
Oh god, new update, new patch. Oh god, demon
Fortnite would do it.
dogs.
Fortnite would do it.
Fortnite would do it. You know they would.
They already did a zombie-like thing.
Twice.
I mean, wasn't that
In
what
the
they were?
same
Oh my
year.
god.
Well, no, their original game was like a zombie game, but then they did the battle royale version, and then they added zombies into the battle royale for like a Halloween theme or something.
It was just yay.
Yeah, there is people that way, so don't.
Ow!
I'm going into the city.
Speaking of people,
Why? I wasn't even involved.
oh god, bro, there's two different people.
Quickster!
Oh
See Blue's sprinting across the
Back to
God.
back stem, back to back stem. Here we go, here we go. Back to back stem.
All right.
Yeah, we're walking through that Halo 2 deathmatch real quick. Alright.
So they can't hit you if you're running fast.
Leave. Leave. Leave.
Oh
no, you missed!
Run, Blue, run! Oh,
You
what you
slick
taking
ass.
it? Oh,
What is this game?
no, what is this? That's
This is your champion.
What?
What? Why is it the only?
What was that?
What?
Goose is the only champion.
Fuck me, it's Jesus.
Alright.
Looks like it's sweeping time. Infected.
Is that you fighting?
Yep, me and he's still in here.
I'm coming in there. Oh, he popped out. Oh shit. Here.
Bitch.
Oh, you killed him. I'm the shadow below you, by the way. You see me? Hi.
Hey,
I was about to come and whack him for. I am off.
Alright.
You have fun. I will no bully you.
You know he's gonna hunt me down, right?
Oh yeah, I know.
I gotta leave.
I can't
leave
protect
the
you.
country.
Wait, here. Let me escort you real quick. Help me, your bodyguard.
Hey, just wait here. I'm gonna sit here. Right here. Some arc stars. Alright, let's go.
Let's go. Am I like 10 times faster?
Yeah.
Right?
You see this
Yeah.
thing? Just leaving me.
I could
Not
probably
even
just like crawl.
Play Mr. President. Alright.
Mr. President, get down.
I'm so scared because I just get smacked.
You really do.
You think you can just come to my house and shit all over my face like this? You think you can just do that? You think...
Whoa! Whoa! What do you mean?
I don't plan to kill you.
What if you, like, help him?
Just body block him or something.
Did you just peacekeeper me?
No.
Oh.
I'm nowhere. I just murdered a small man under supervision. I'm gonna go hide in the bunker now. He's gonna come back to you. He's gonna come and just assault me. He's gonna break down this door and he's just gonna slam my head against the wall.
Ooh! Evac is at a bunker.
Titties in my asshole.
Get you,
boy.
What?
That dude was on a mission. What the heck? This dude was on a mission. Zipline, please. It's a scary world.
It's a hard not life for us.
2 meters to go.
It's a hard not life for us.
Oh no! Oh!
Wait, that's you!
No!
That's you!
Hey, buddy. Hi. How you doing? Hey, buddy. How you doing? Are you crawling away? Aww. Come on, it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. So how's your day going, man? How's your day going?
I'm 11!
Pretty great. You wanna give me a give a high five, man? You wanna get a high five? You wanna give a high five? Come on, give me a high five.
Oh, he died.
Oh, you were supposed to hit me back, man. This is ridiculous.
I'm glad the shadows aren't exactly one tap, but
I mean, cause
you
he
know.
just bodied like an octane, straight up massacred him. What did he drop? Oh, there he is.
oh, he's below. He's below.
AC 130 above. Come here. Aw.
I got him, boys!
He was out of the sky.
Dived on his ass. I want to go double R99. So if you spot an extra, let me know.
I'm gonna chill up here at the very top.
Yeah, I'm coming with you.
Basically, just every way to live, you're trying here.
Oh, there's a shadow over at bunker, I think. Or someone was on your zipline.
Shit titties.
There's a shadow directly above us. Like, there's two kind of above us coming down. Yeah, I got one dropping on us.
Tired of playing with your ass!
What? He killed me too! Bro! He just... I couldn't hit him,
The
man.
world's
Oh my
biggest
god.
smack I've ever witnessed.
Alright, my game's over.
Ours is ended too.
Ah.
Alright.
Come here, boy!
Come here, boy!
Just beat him up. Yeah!
Oh, damn, he's thick! He's thick, boy!
Beat him in the corner.
I love how it locks out the legends and we can just beat on people.
Just put him in the corner. There's so many Pathfinders.
I know.